Achievements of the EAC by 2001. Movement of citizens within the member states has been boosted. The EAC provides a forum for the leaders to discuss issues harmoniously. The EAC has facilitated improvement of transport between the member states. Tariffs for industrial goods produced in East Africa have been reduced to facilitate easier trade. Professionals and civil society in the three countries are interacting more closely through the organizations. 10A. Institutions of the ECOWAS. Authority of Heads of States and Government, Council of Ministers, Executive Secretariat, Tribunal, Specialized Commissions. Challenges of the ECOWAS. Since the member states cover a wide area, it is difficult to coordinate the activities. The poor state of transport and communication presents a major challenge in the movement of people and goods. There are differences in operations between the Francophone and Anglophone member states. Political instability also prevents a serious setbacks to regional cooperation. Foreign interference is also a big problem. For example, French Marines are posted whenever there is trouble in Ivory Coast. Members violate the regulations from time to time. For example, Ghanaians were expelled from Nigeria in 1983 in the contravention of the ECOWAS Treaty. There is a lot of suspicion, particularly between the smaller states and the more powerful states such as Nigeria. Ideological differences, especially during the Cold War, also slowed down regional cooperation. Achievements of ECOWAS. Heads of state meet regularly to tackle problems facing the region. ECOWAS has provided a wider market for goods produced in member states. Member states also benefit from waiver of tariffs. ECOWAS has encouraged member states to expand infrastructure to link each other with railway and road networks. Cultural exchanges between cultural groups have taken place under ECOWAS. This promotes good relations between the member states. Member states are able to move freely within the region due to the waiver on visa requirements. A joint education syllabus was formulated for the whole region. The ECOWAS Joint Defense Force, that is the ECOMOG, has been instrumental in stopping civil wars in the region. The organization that was replaced by COMESA, the Provincial Trade Area for Eastern and South Africa. Objectives of COMESA: to attain sustainable growth and development in member states by promoting a more balanced and harmonious development in production and marketing. To promote joint development in all fields of economic activities and adoption of macroeconomic policies and programs to raise the standards of living. To cooperate in the creation of an enabling environment for domestic investment, to cooperate in the promotion of peace, security and stability among member states to enhance economic development in the region, to cooperate in strengthening the relations between COMESA and the rest of the world, to contribute towards the establishment, progress, and the realization of the objectives of the African Economic Community. Principles of COMESA: equality and interdependence of member states, solidarity and collective self-reliance among member states, interstate cooperation, harmonization of policies and integration of programs, non-aggression, recognition, promotion and protection of human rights in accordance with the provisions of the African Charter on Human Rights, accountability, economic justice and popular participation in development, the recognition and the observance of the rule of law, the promotion and the sustenance of democratic system of governance in each member state, the maintenance of regional peace and stability through the promotion and strengthening of good neighborliness, the peace settlement of disputes, active cooperation between neighboring countries and the promotion of peace environment as a requisite to economic development. Organs of COMESA: the authority, the Council of Ministers, the Court of Justice, the Committee of Governors, that is, the Committee of Governors of Central Banks, Intergovernmental Committee, Technical Committee, the Secretariat, the Consultative Committee, Achievements of COMESA: member states have liberalized trade in the common market,